Lingportal Online School presents
Parts of the Car Quiz. Can you name these car parts in English? Test your vocabulary. Think you know your way around a car? From bumpers to sunroofs, this quiz will test how well you know the names of common car parts in English. Buckle up and let's see if you can get all 15 right. Don't forget to fasten your seatbelt. He opened the bonnet to check the engine. To make the car move, step on the accelerator. Please put the luggage in the boot. The brake pedal makes the car stop when you press it. We need to replace the front left tyre. It's flat. It started raining, so I turned on the windshield wipers. I used the indicator to let the other driver know I was turning. At night, it's important to use the headlights. He turned the steering wheel to go left at the corner. She put the papers in the glove compartment. The rearview mirror is broken, so we can't see behind the car. There's a big crack in the front window. We need to fix the windshield. The car hit a tree, but the bumper reduced the damage. It was a sunny day, so we opened the sunroof to enjoy the fresh air from above. Great job making it to the end of the quiz. Even if you didn't get every question right, don't worry. Every mistake is just another step toward better English. Keep learning, keep practicing, and soon car parts in English will be as easy as turning the wheel. See you in the next quiz.